Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is freelancing for you? Part 7. How do you know if freelance writing is for you? Here's a question to help you find out. Can you switch focus easily without compromising quality? A. No, I need to stay locked into one task at a time. B. Yes, multitasking is my middle name. As a freelance writer, juggling multiple assignments is common. Clients will have different needs, deadlines, and even writing styles. That's why time management and self discipline are essential. During the COVID 19 pandemic, I worked with two clients at the same time. One, a doctor in Arizona, the other, a lawyer in London. I had to write web pages, blogs, and ebooks in American English, while also crafting legal essays in British English. Shifting between projects, topics, and even writing styles was a challenge. But with focus and adaptability, I delivered quality work and satisfied both clients. So, do you have what it takes to thrive as a freelance writer? Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.